U.S. MUL's booster dose for Taiwanese Air Force could accelerate the delivery of F-16V fighters amid Chinese threat. The U.S. is exploring possibilities to speed up the delivery of F-16V Viper fighter jets to Taiwan, which faces the threat of a Chinese invasion, according to reports. Officials familiar with the matter told Reuters that they are yet to find a solution to how to expedite the delivery of 66 Block 70 F-16s. Lockheed Martin is manufacturing the new variant of the fighter jets, which are scheduled to arrive in Taiwan by the end of 2026. A senior Taiwanese official told the news agency that Taipei had urged the Biden administration to expedite the delivery of the fighter fighters. The request came as frequent airspace violations by PLA Air Force, PLAAF, aircraft forced Taiwan to scramble jets on a regular basis, thus putting stress on its aging fighter fleet. The United States approved an $8 billion arms deal for Taiwan in 2019, which included 66 F-16V Block 70 fighter fighters. Taiwan will have one of Asia's largest F-16 fleets when it receives these jets by 2026. Lockheed Martin has also received orders from other countries, including Bahrain, Slovakia, and Bulgaria, and the U.S. government has reportedly not asked the company to expedite jet manufacturing for Taiwan. This shows that the timeline of delivery has not changed. On October 6, 2021, Taiwanese Defense Minister Chiu Kuching said that China would be able to conduct a full-scale invasion of Taiwan by 2025. With 2,800 total aircraft and 2,100 combat aircraft, the PLAAF has a significant numerical advantage over Taiwan's Air Force, which has only 741 aircraft in its inventory. Abraham Denmark, a former senior Pentagon official, quoted by Al Jazeera as saying, "A move to accelerate the aircraft delivery would be seen in Beijing in part through a political lens." He went on to say that it's yet another clear signal from the U.S. that it's committed to bolstering Taiwan's ability to protect itself.